Ready to ditch the boring text blast and create interactive experiences that skyrocket your customer engagement? First, log into your Aisensy account. On the left-hand navigation menu, find and click on the WhatsApp option. Then select Templates. This is where we'll build our button magic. Now, in the upper right corner, click on the Create Template button to start designing your interactive message. Give your template a clear and descriptive name. This will help you easily identify it later, for example, order status update or product inquiry options. Next, select the appropriate category for your template. This helps Aisensy organize your messages and ensures they're used correctly. Choose the option that best represents your button's purpose. Select the message type: transactional for updates and notifications, or promotional for offers and marketing campaigns. Now for the message itself. In the body section, craft a compelling message that clearly communicates your purpose. Be concise and friendly. Remember, this is what your customer will see before they see the buttons. Here's where the fun begins. Scroll down to the button section and click Add Button. You'll see options for different types of buttons. You can choose to have buttons that trigger a phone call, direct users to a website, or provide quick reply options for common questions or actions. Let's select Quick Reply for this example. In the button text field, enter the exact text you want displayed on the button. For example, track order, contact support, or browse products. Keep it short and action-oriented. Add up to 3 buttons, each offering a distinct choice. The clearer the options, the better the user experience. Once you're happy with your message and button design, click the Submit button. Your template will then be submitted for approval by WhatsApp. And that's it. Once approved, your button message template is ready to use, providing your customers with a seamless and engaging experience. Use these interactive messages to boost customer satisfaction and drive meaningful results.